Hi
Guys,
guys!
this is my Nina.
And this is my Arella. For today's kwentuhan, I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is. do you do you need teachers at school or can you just learn it from computers?
Teachers.
So you every
Ay, no, computers. Kasi, teachers always teach the students what they only know. Like, teacher art. Teacher art to class his cellphone. What is his question?
mm,
Teachers only study what they know what to study.
mm.
Computers know what to say, like Google, because Google studied hard.
Hindi naman nag-aaral ng Google. Ano ka ba?
Hindi. Kasi the teachers only teach what they know.
Syempre.
But computers know everything. Like ito ha.
Tama nga naman.
Like
May
this,
point ka. Oh.
Google, or Siri, ask me, what time will it be done time? 2 hours.
Well, you are right naman. May point ka naman. Pero, ano ba sa tingin mo? Siguro sa learning, well, lahat talaga nasa internet na kasi, no? Alam mo, hindi ko rin alam kung paano kita i-rebat. Pero, parang may point naman yung sinagot mo. Ano po ba sa tingin nyo, mga sister, mga lords, tama ba yung sinagot ni Arel? Kasi ano bang maganda? Maski kahit ano talagang itanong mo or dapat mong malaman nasa
Okay, I know
internet.
everything.
Siguro ang pinaka
Alam.
ang maganda sa teachers, like for example, meron kayong laboratory, yung mga actual na ginagawa,
Or like
diba? Yung mga ganun, laboratories, like mga magdo-doctors, syempre, kailangan
Like
nilang,
this,
kailangan nilang i-actual yung mga ginagawa
or
nila.
like this, you're a flight attendant. You will try is like, hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
No,
9,
diba?
10.
Tama ka.
Kasi sa school, di ba, kunyari, you want to be a flight attendant.
Attendant.
So, attendant. So, you will go to the, pretend plane and then, kunyari, there's an earthquake. You will practice how to remove your seatbelt. Kasi in airplane, the seatbelt is too tight.
Siguro, what important is with teachers or going to school, yung mga actual thing na mga dapat gawin ng isang estudyante, yun ang hindi naman magagawa ng computer. You need to do it in actual or in personal. Pareho namang pareho pa rin namang ang importante. May point si Arela, di ba? Okay. Thank you for answering my question. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah, till our next video.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.